Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare delicious chicken without a mixer. First, ensure your chicken is properly portioned, whether it's whole pieces or cut into smaller, manageable sizes. Next, generously season the chicken with your preferred spices, like a half teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Use clean hands to gently massage the seasonings into every piece, ensuring an even coating for maximum flavor. This simple step is crucial for a tasty result. Creating a flavorful marinade is easy without a mixer. Simply combine your liquid ingredients, such as a quarter cup of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, with dry spices in a bowl. Use a fork or whisk to blend everything until smooth. Then, add your chicken, making sure each piece is completely submerged. Allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, or for a deeper flavor, let it sit for up to 24 hours in the refrigerator. Achieving a perfect coating on your chicken is simple with just your hands. Set up a breading station with 3 shallow dishes, one for seasoned flour, one for an egg wash, and one for breadcrumbs. Take each chicken piece, dredge it in the flour, then dip it into the egg wash, letting any excess drip off. Finally, press it firmly into the breadcrumbs, ensuring a complete and even layer. This method creates a wonderfully crispy exterior. Once your chicken is seasoned or coated, several cooking methods are available without needing a mixer. You can pan-fry it in a skillet with a tablespoon of oil until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Alternatively, bake it in an oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. Grilling is another excellent option, offering a smoky flavor. All these methods ensure delicious, perfectly cooked chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.